Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is take 3 because this is the third time I'm trying to record this video. Now, it's not like the 3 times doing it today, but however, I've been trying to record this video for the past 2 days. So, I've tried doing a look and trying to condense it to like a smaller video, and I decided, and it came to my mind, why not make this video into 2 parts. Basically doing an eye look for today's video and a full face using the drugstore makeup that I did purchase on Wednesday, and then on Friday definitely put out content on the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker collection. Now I didn't get the full collection, but I did get like a lot of the products that he was selling, so I am definitely intrigued on that one because I did use a couple of them before just to test them out to see whether I like them or not, and obviously put in my full review on how I feel about it and what do I think based on my opinion. So if you guys want to go ahead and see how I achieve a nice bronzy eye look, then please just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off with obviously this. I did do my eyebrows already, so if you are interested in knowing what did I use for my eyebrows, I actually used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. And I also set my eyes, like I concealed them, I prepped them and all that jazz, and I did use the LA Girls Pro Concealer. As you can see, I'm basically done with this. Then I did set it with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Banana Powder, which by the way, after the third time, this is the third time using it, but the 2 times that I did try that, I fell in love with that powder. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated on how I feel about the powder today. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the eyes first. And by the way, I know I have been gone for 3 weeks. I think it was 3 weeks that I was gone. And that was because I was extremely sick. I felt so sick. Like, I felt like I was dying, which is crazy. But I was sick back to back. And now I'm getting better. You could hear me better. But I was actually talking like a grandma. Like, hi, how are you? Like, definitely like that. We're going to be using the 35G Bronze Goals. This is from Morphe. I think they just launched this one not too long ago, and I went to Morphe because I was in Jersey. By the way, I live in New York City. Those of you who live in New York City, you already know it feels like an oven in here. I feel like I will not survive hell because it's that hot. It's literally that hot over the weekend. Like, let me know where you guys live and how is the weather over there, like in your countries, states, cities, wherever you guys live at the moment. Let me know how is the weather, because the weather in New York City, it's hell. No, it's 10 times hell. It's 10 times worse than hell. It's a lot. The look using this palette. So it comes with its little thing right here. So I don't like throwing this out just because these do have the names to it. So it doesn't have the names in the back. Maybe I could just paste it in the back. So I'm gonna be using a transition color. Like I said, I've used this 3 times now. I've used a couple of the shades already, and now here I go again using the same shades. I'm gonna go in with Sandy. Now with Sandy, I'm gonna go in with the blending brush, and my favorite brush to use that, it's the Bdellium Tools 785. I'm gonna go in with Sandy as a transition color, and I'm gonna be applying this on the crease from the outer to the inner in circular motions. Again, you can always intensify the crease by adding more and more, and you'll get it to your desired color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I dislike the summer because it gets super humid. It rains all the time. It's just too hot that I don't like it. So I prefer to stay home in my AC and binge watch Netflix. What are your favorite Netflix shows right now? I am watching Money Heist, the 3rd season, just because I did love the first 2 seasons. I am watching Euphoria, which is so good. If you guys have not watched it, you guys definitely should. I watched it by HBO because it did stream there, and oh my god, it's so good. It's I missed last night's episode, which I'm gonna watch today, but all I know is that I heard it's crazy, so I'm pretty excited about that. Like, I want to know what happened. So now that I did that, I'm gonna go ahead and intensify the look a little bit more by adding a little bit of tan up right here, and with the same brush I'm gonna go in with it on the crease. Again, circular motions from the outer to the inner of the eyelid. You see how good it looks? Like, it looks well blended. I like to blend a lot just so it could be like, ooh, like, girl, your blending skills are fire. You know, blind blend your life away, basically. That's your new motto. Blend your life away. So now that I finished doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade, probably I'm gonna use one of the shimmery shades. In this case, I'm gonna be using this one right here. This one here is Sexy Beach. And I'm going to be applying that with my finger. I feel like it gives it a better payoff with the finger as opposed to if you were to do it with a brush. So that goes for all kinds of eyeshadows that have this type of pigment. Like, that is a shimmery pigment, because a finger has a better payoff. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this all over the lid. And then with my own finger, basically tap around it and just basically blend it out with the finger. So you just go ahead and tap it. Just like that. You see that? And then you're going to go back with that same color that you used before. Turn up, and you're going to go on top to make sure it's blended out. Because, girl, we don't stop here. We don't stop here. This is more like a bronzy look, like a glowy, bronzy, orangey look. And I got the idea by, you know, summer. And a lot of people are doing, like, bronzy looks this time, year-round. Because, again, you want a summer glowy, bronzy look where you look like you're not wearing too much, but you're not wearing too little. You're just wearing the right amount, you know? I shouldn't, like, be tugging into my eye. Like, that's literally how you create fine lines. But at this point, like, my finger is way too fat. Way too big. Like, it looks like a little sausage. Like, my fingers are little sausages. And basically, I'm going to go ahead and blend it out again. And use that same brush to blend it out. Just like that. You see how nice it looks? Like, it looks really, really nice. Then from there, I'm going to go ahead and use the new Kokie. It's like these new Kokie glitters. These are so good. So you can definitely keep it like this, call it a day, and that's it. But I love, how can I say it? I love glitter. Like, I live for glitter. I will die for glitter. Like, my casket has to be glitter. I in general love glitter to the point that I need to incorporate glitter somehow. So I found these 3 new Kokie crystal fusions, and these are like, they're like $6 I think each, which not bad. And I want you guys to see how beautiful they look. Like, these are like shadows with like sheens of crystals, and it just gives it that sheen. Like, in the sun it would look beautiful, and it will give you like a wet look too. So, girl, what are you waiting for? Go to CVS and get yourself one, because I'm telling you, these are bomb. like super bomb. So I'm showing you the colors. So the first one is in Moonchild. That's the one that I'm going to be using on the lid right now, which is right here. The second one is in Stardust, which is a silvery color, and it's, you know, it's your typical silver. And then the third one is in Millennium, and it's more like of a cool tone. It has like a gold undertone with purple, so it's like sort of like an iridescent, I could say. But let me just show you how it's gonna look on the lid. So we're gonna use this one. This one is in Moonchild. Since we do have an orangey look on the eye, and I want it to look like very wet, very good, I'm just gonna tap on it. Simple. Just like that. And you just tap it on the lid and it gives you that wet look, like wet look. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so good. Ugh, so yummy on the eyes. So yummy. And then from there you can add an eyeliner. So I don't like to use wing liners to this type of looks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna create a black line so I can use this for my lashes, basically. You could use a gel, you could use a liquid. I'm using a liquid liner in the Duo Stroke by Absolute New York. And there you go. You see what I mean? Like it gives it that to it. It's mainly like because of the eyelashes I wanted to blend in, but you'll see everything else. So then I'm gonna go ahead and finish the lower lash by doing the same technique. I'm gonna be using the same shades that I used for the transition color, and that is Sandy, and then we're gonna go in with Tan Up on the lower lash line. So we're gonna go ahead and use a Morphe brush in M222, and we're gonna start off with the lightest shade, and we're gonna be focusing this on the lower lash line. Okay, make sure to like really blend it in there. So grab a good amount and then try to stay close to your waterline. Isn't it weird how us girls, whenever we're trying to do the eyes or the eyebrows or something, that we go like if we're trying to catch food in our mouth. Alright, so then on the next one you want to go ahead and do that too. Alright, now that I did that, I'm going to go ahead and use Tan Up just to darken in the water tight. So remember, you want to get close. And you want to be facing the shadow up just so it doesn't get on the bottom part. So it could look like a good transition color, you know what I mean? Just like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye. So you could see the difference right there already. You can always intensify it by adding more to it. And it would look better, you know, it would be blended better, and that is pretty much it for the eyes. I'm going to be using the lashes in, these are my favorite lashes. These lashes are from La Flare. I don't know if you guys know that brand, but that brand, they sell it at beauty supply stores. And the one that I'm using is in the number SD14, I believe. I I'm 100% sure that it's SD14. If anything, I'll definitely let you guys know and put it down in the description box. But if you live in New York City, definitely look out. Go to your nearest beauty supply store and search for like La Flare lashes. I'm telling you, they have bomb lashes and people are sleeping on it. I feel they're like 3D mink lashes, inspired mink lashes, and they are seriously life and very inexpensive. So they went from costing literally $2, and now they went up because a lot of people are starting to buy it. Now they cost, I believe, $4, but it's literally, it's still cheaper if you were to buy, let's say, Ardell lashes at the drugstore, like in CVS, Rite Aid, Walgreens. They normally will cost you like $11 a pair, and that's just no, I'm over exaggerating. That's like 5 pairs, but it comes like the same actual lash in a whole pack. But then there is the individual ones that cost you like $7. So I feel like you could get like 2 for like the price of 1. So I'm using Dolce Voluminizer. I love this mascara. As you can see, like, these are just my natural lashes. I'm gonna be using those eyelashes, and I'm gonna be putting them on, and then I'm gonna get back. The middle. And that's pretty much it. And then I go ahead and squeeze. And there are the lashes. Like, it really didn't matter for me for the eyeliner, just because, again, the lashes covered it all. So I just want to make sure that it looks all even out. Cool. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face, which will be uploaded on Wednesday, and I will be back. And that's pretty much it. This is your finishing look, you guys. Like, this is what I called glowy, healthy, protective, because you're protecting your skin using this SPF 50. Just make sure to not use it at night, because again, you're gonna get flashback, like really big flashback, and you're not gonna want to post really cute pictures because your face is gonna be looking really white because of the flashback. But overall, I really love all these products, and this is my new look. This is my new go-to look that I think I'm gonna be wearing in the summer when it's not 115 degrees, because it feels like hell, worse than hell. But other than that, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys like the eye look and, you know, the face look. You're definitely gonna be seeing this twice, like the end of the video, just because this is basically 2 videos in one. So just giving you a heads up. But this is the finishing look. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other ideas, videos that you guys would like for me to do for you guys. Definitely keeping a lookout, because I'm going to be doing Jeffree Star Cosmetics full video on all the products that I did purchase. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the next one.